So here I finished my last stitch on row 10 on the waistline for my shorts. And this is the elastic band I measured around my waist. First without any tension, and then with that measurement I decreased like 5 centimeters and cut it off. And with the needle and thread, I fix the 2H and make it a ring. So this is the elastic band I am going to wrap around my stitches to shape my waistline. And to do so, basically we are just going to put our elastic band and wrap it around with our stitches here. We're gonna fold the wide waistband we made with our stitches inwards to cover the elastic. Okay, so now to fix this elastic band inside my waistband, I am just going to locate with my eye first the top of my row 2. Okay, we're looking at it from the wrong side. My row 1 is here at the very edge, which is a round of single crochet. And then here on top of it, the first round of double crochet where you can see some decreased stitches, which is double crochet 2 together. This is my round 2. And we are going to work on the top of this round 2 where the stitch count is already the same with the rest of our other rows. So flipping back to the wrong side, I am going to work around here. And this is where the beginning and the end of the round are connected. That's why this look a little bit weird, but I still can see like this is the top of my round 2, and going to this side, this is the top of my round 2. So when we slip stitch, we are going to insert our hook in the back loop and then also in the back part. Sorry, I want to put my work yarn behind, and then slip back loop, back bar, and make a slip stitch here. And next stitch is here. We were working without the slip stitch at the end, so our stitch at the beginning will have this height difference, but it's because we work in spiral building up. So just ignore that and insert your hook in the next stitch, and we're gonna work the next slip stitch, which we are inserting our hook in the back loop and the back bar in the next one, and then make the slip stitch. Okay, and this is how we are going to continue. Next one. And here I am on the top of the top of my round 2 for the last stitch, and for the next one my round 2 is down here. So pay a little bit attention on this transitional area, because the next stitch we are going to work in is not here but here. It's not here but here. Okay, this is just about understanding your rows and your stitch. So here, let me see, I am going to work here, inserting my hook. Oh, but again I have to put my working yarn in the back. Okay, insert my hook, and then slip stitch. Next one. Here, this is my next stitch, and I'm going to insert my hook here, back loop, and I'm gonna back bar and slip stitch. And this is how I wrap my elastic band inside. And just pay some attention to not twist your band while wrapping it, because it's gonna be a little bit difficult to fix once it's all wrapped inside. So this is me after a certain distance. This is where I started, and this is where I am now. I just want to show you from the right side, this should look like this. And once you finish, you will have a elastic waistband, so it's easier to wear your shorts. And you will notice, since we reduce the length, the exact length from our elastic band, after a certain distance you work, you will feel like the elastic becomes shorter than your waistline, and this is when you should slightly push your stitches like this, and so that you can continue working. So now for the next portion, I'm just gonna fold my work like this, and then continue working down this line. And then once you reach here, just do the same again. Push your stitches to the side that you already worked, and once you close the round, you can even them out very easily. So here I just want to bring you back in one last time before I finish my round. This is the last part of my waistband, and as you can see, my elastic band is longer than my crochet band now. So this is the last part. I'm just going to put the stitches tighter together to make the length of the two parts more even, so it's easier for me to wrap. So here, like this, I would just finish wrapping my last part. This is the beginning of my round. Like this. Okay, so I will see you when I am reaching the end. Okay, now I'm very close to the end. I have only this much stitches to go. Just want to finish this up with you. You should have just the exact number for each stitch to be secure, This is my last one, and this is where I am going to secure it. Okay, and after your last stitch, just chain one and fasten off. And here you go. You are now finishing putting an elastic band to your crochet work, which make it much more wearable. Since this is gonna be a lingerie launch piece, I think this is very important for you to just slip it on, and then you're good to go. Thank you so much for being here, and if you're following my pattern, thank you so much for supporting my work. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!